How's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so I was at AutoZone, and I was looking at parts and stuff like that, picking up a couple of things, and I came across the tint section, and I was looking for 50% tint. I think the tint, the tint shades start around 75%. It goes to 50%, then 30%. All right, so I was looking at it, and I believe, funny thing is that all these tints, the lowest, well, the highest you can go is 25%. And I noticed that's the same situation with Walmart, 25%. And that's fine if you guys live in a state where the legal limit for tint is visible light going through a tinted window is 25%. I think, and I was surprised to find out, because I went online and checked, and I was surprised to find out that a lot of states, most states actually, you can have as much as 25% visible light passing through, 25% tint, and that's lawful. However, if you lived in New York or California, I think California too, but in a couple of states, I'm not quite sure which other ones outside of New York, the legal limit is about 75%. If you go below 75%, you, particularly with the front windows, you won't be able to pass inspection, and you could possibly get a ticket for it. Although it is a rare situation where you would get a ticket. I mean, your car would have to look real shady to get a ticket. And sometimes the cops, if they think you're up to no good or whatever, they could always stop you for that, but normally they don't. But the whole inspection thing is the bigger issue, because every year that comes around, you'd have to take the tints off and then put the tints back on. It's just really a pain in the butt. But I was surprised that at Walmart they don't have 50% tint, which was what I was looking for. They don't have 73% tint, and anywhere else the highest tint you could get is like 25% or whatever. Which which is surprising to me. Which is if you're looking for a legal tint, you're not gonna find that shade, that shade of tint. So I had to go online to find it, and I was pretty. What can I say about it? I wasn't annoyed, wasn't irritated. It's just I went to a couple places, just very surprised regarding that. And I'm gonna be doing these tints myself, and this might be this is gonna be my second try doing the tints. And I'm going to get it right this time. I mean, the first time around, which was like a while ago, I didn't really care that much. But this time, I'm gonna do it right. But I'm going off point here. So that's what I wanted to put out. I know it's a little tidbit, but it's interesting info.